And after a while, Motorola folds all the way again. But now there's this issue. It doesn't stay closed after folded.
Finally, here we have the live fold test of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 versus Razr 40 Ultra. Folding tests for foldable phones have been a thing ever since Samsung released the original Galaxy Fold in 2019. But while some independent testers and content creators devise their own, arguably faulty, folding machines, others are doing things differently. Mrkeybrd went above and beyond and humanized the testing process by having actual people perform thousands and hundreds of thousands of folds by hand in front of a camera. Such a test is happening right now. As of making this video, Mrkeybrd's team members are taking turns folding and unfolding the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra by hand on a YouTube live stream. It looks like a daunting task for which not many would volunteer, but it's all in the name of science. And this method ensures that the foldable phones and their hinges don't suffer unnecessary additional stress. You may want to learn that the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra was the first, and so far, only device of the two to suffer a hardware failure. Although the folding-unfolding test was not over at the time of making this video, the first failure had already happened. And it was the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra that dropped the ball first. Specifically, the Razr 40 Ultra's hinge experienced its first failure around the 40,000 fold-unfold mark in the live stream. It wasn't a critical failure and the phone still worked, but the integrity of the hinge dropped to where the phone no longer folded completely shut. Meanwhile, at the same 40,000 mark and counting, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 experienced no such issues. It will be interesting to see how the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will behave by the end of the live stream. The test might be concluded by the time you watch this video, but I will try to update the story with new details as they develop. As of publishing this video, Samsung won the first round and Motorola's hinge is causing problems. But the battle is not over, and anything can happen. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.